Hello friends and good morning to all. Today we are going to learn some problem based on the negation of compound statement. So friend, before discussing them, in last video we had learned the negation of compound statement. So let it be repeat once again. So friend, while performing the negation of conjunction statement, means suppose you have to given one conjunction statement and you have to perform its negation. So while performing the negation of conjunction statement, initially perform the negation of first statement. Here first statement is P, so perform the negation of P. Then perform the negation of second statement. So here second statement is Q, means negation Q, and replace this AND by OR. Understood? In case of disjunction, suppose you have to given one disjunction statement and you have to perform its negation. So while performing the negation of disjunction statement, here also perform the negation of first statement, then perform the negation of second statement and replace this OR by AND. Okay? Suppose you have to given one conditional statement and you have to say perform its negation. So while performing the negation of conditional statement or implication statement, initially keep the first statement as it is. Here first statement is P, so keep P as it is. Then perform the negation of second statement and replace this implication sign by AND. Understood? And in case of biconditional statement, here while performing the negation of biconditional statement, split up biconditional statement as P conditional Q and Q conditional P. Initially perform the negation of P conditional Q, that is P and the negation Q. Then perform the negation of Q conditional P, that is Q and the negation P. And then connect these two brackets by the symbol of OR. Understood? Let us take some example for better clarity. So your example is using the rule of negation, find the negation of following. So your first example is P and the negation Q. Second, negation P, conditional negation Q. Your third example, P and Q, or negation P and negation Q. Okay? So friend, let us take first example. So in the first example, you have to given P conjunction negation Q. Okay? And you have to say perform its negation. Okay? So for performing the negation of this statement, write down this statement as it is and write down the negation sign. Understood? Now, in this statement pattern, you have to given two statements. First one, that is P, and second, that is negation Q. And these two statement is connected by AND. Okay? So according to the negation of conjunction, when you have to perform the negation of conjunction statement, that time you know that perform the negation of first statement. So here first statement is P, so its negation becomes negation P. Then perform the negation of second statement. Here second statement is negation Q, so its negation becomes negation of negation Q. And replace this AND by OR. Understood? Now all further. Negation P as it is or as it is, negation of negation. Negation of negation means cancel. Negation of negation statement means the statement itself. So write down Q. Understood? Now let us take second example. So in second example, you have to given this statement pattern, that is negation P, conditional negation Q, and your question is solve it negation. Okay? So write down this statement pattern, that is negation P, conditional negation Q, and you have to find out its negation. So write down the symbol of negation. So in this statement pattern, two statements are there. First statement, that is negation P. Second statement, that is negation Q. And this two statement is connected by implication sign. Okay. So according to the rule of negation of implication, we have know that while performing the negation of implication statement, keep the first statement as it is. Here first statement is negation P. So keep it as it is, means negation P. And perform the negation of second statement. Second statement is negation Q. Write down negation of negation Q. And replace this implication symbol by AND. Understood? Now solve further. Negation P and as it is. Negation of negation Q means the Q itself. Understood? Now let us take third example. In third example, you have to find out the negation of given statement pattern. Okay, so write down the statement pattern, that is P and Q, or negation P and negation Q. Okay, and you have to say perform its negation. So write down the symbol of negation. Understood? So in this statement pattern, you have to given two simple brackets. Okay, so consider first simple bracket as first statement and second simple bracket as second statement. Okay, so in this statement pattern, you have to given two statement which is connected by OR. So according to the rule of negation of disjunction, while performing the negation of disjunction statement, you know that initially perform the negation of first statement means negation of first bracket, then perform the negation of second statement means second bracket, so negation of second bracket, and replace OR by AND. Understood? Now simplify further. So in first bracket you have to given two statement which is connected by AND, so perform the negation here. So in first bracket there are two statements, that is P and Q, which is connected by AND. So according to the rule of negation of conjunction, perform the negation of first statement, then perform the negation of second statement and replace AND by OR. Understood? Now this AND as it is. Here also two statements are given, that is negation P and negation Q, which are connected by AND. So according to the rule of negation of conjunction, perform the negation of first statement, that is negation of negation P, means the statement itself. Now perform the negation of second statement, that is negation of negation Q, means Q itself, and replace AND by OR. Understood? So friend, here we have completed some example based on the negation of compound statement. I hope you understood and enjoyed today's portion. And if you really understood and enjoyed today's portion, then solve this homework and please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you and have a nice day to all.